All right, so we are doing Alice 6 today, and a lot of these things we've already been kind of doing. So we're going to be doing some conditional statements, specifically do an order and do simultaneous movements, and then we're going to show you how to edit an argument and then animate a vehicle. So realize down here is our do together, which is the default. When I pull it out here, you can see I've got do together or do in order. So here's my do in order. So I can add a couple characters to this, and then I can have them do that in order. So you can see in here I've added a little code, and my panda's going to do it in order first. They're going to turn to the left. The panda's going to turn to the left, and then I'm going to have them do together. But you can see right now I just have the panda programmed, so I need to go to my stuffed tiger, and I'll have the stuffed tiger turn to the left. One. So the goal here is you kind of want to predict what you think is going to happen. So in your head, take a second and see if you can predict what's going to happen. And then let's see if we did it right. So right now, they're doing it in order, and now they're going to do it together. So it looks to me like I need a little, there we go. So that's just a really easy way to demonstrate those two concepts. Okay, so they can do it together and do in order. And again, those are called conditional statements. Right? So there's some arguments you can add to it. So here's the detail, and you can see the duration and animation style. So we're going to go ahead and do that gently. And we could do one that's not gently, so you can compare and contrast. And you can see the difference with that. So that's editing your arguments. Not quite sure if you can really see the difference or not, but experiment with that because that's kind of fun to know. And then the next thing you're going to need to know is how to animate a vehicle for riding. Okay? So my stuffed tiger, he has this little pet turtle, and wherever the tiger goes, I want the turtle to go with him. So right now, if the tiger moves, the turtle won't do anything. But we can set the vehicle so that whenever I move the tiger, the turtle goes with him. So all I have to do is go to, I'm in Setup Scene. I'm going to click on my turtle, and it's one of the properties here. So if I go down here to Vehicle, right now there is no vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say Stuffed Tiger. And I want it to be the entire stuffed tiger. It's interesting that you can do an actually just part of the stuffed tiger. I'm going to do the stuffed tiger. All right, so now I need to tell the tiger to go somewhere. So let's go to my code. I'm on the tiger, and I'm going to have the tiger move towards the camera. Or should we have him move up? Somebody want him to jump. All right, so let's see if we did this right. So you can see even as he spun, I didn't have to program the turtle at all. Just by saying set the vehicle to the tiger, whatever the tiger does, the turtle does. Isn't that easy? So that's really convenient if you have like a vehicle, or if you want somebody to ride a horse, if you want somebody to ride, there's camels, or if you just want them to like be a pair. So you can set the vehicle. So that's a really fun thing. So those are the three things you guys are going to be showing me today in your video and turning that in. And then we're going to do another little project here on the side.